Hey guys, how's it going? Today I have done something I haven't done in a really long time. I put on makeup and it was awesome and I liked it and it felt good, so I'm gonna do it some more, although I may look like a clown. Who knows? I have for you today all of the stuff that I've bought during the Christmas holiday season. I was really good this year. I actually didn't buy very much makeup at all. I went over this in another video where I said that I was like getting my shit together. So I'm trying to be better about like overspending money I don't have, especially with so much makeup. Like I have so much makeup that it just seems ridiculous to buy more makeup. However, I did have in my plan, even since January, when the holiday sales came, I was allowed to buy kind of whatever I wanted. Although I spent a lot of money, but I didn't go as crazy as I normally do, I guess. This year, there's some things that I always buy, so I bought them. And then there's a few things that were a little bit extravagant, but I've been good all year, so I felt like rewarding myself. So let's deep dive into this. So I have anything that I got at Sephora or MAC in this video. I didn't really buy from anywhere else. I don't really plan on buying from anywhere else. If I get anything else, I'll let you guys know, but this is where we're at right now. Let's get this huge thing off my desk first. Okay, this is the Nest Festive Petite Diffuser Trio. So I do like me a scent diffuser, and I have the Nest candles that are all the same scents from last year, and I haven't burned them yet. So I just found them. I was like, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what this looks like. It comes in 3 little cute bottles. And the little diffuser things are in the back here so that you can make this a diffuser party. My downstairs bathroom will appreciate this. The scents are Sparkling Cassis, Holiday, which is the aroma of a sparkling holiday season is created by blending pomegranate, mandarin orange, pine, cloves, and cinnamon with a hint of vanilla and amber. And then the last one is birchwood pine. So it smells like a birchwood forest and pine. I'm just gonna drop this off. I bought it because I enjoy expensive diffusers and candles for some reason. Speaking of expensive candles, the only reason I got this was because it was on the VIB Rouge sale and I got 20% off. This is absolutely ludicrous. I almost want to take this back just because it's so stupid. Okay, so this is the Joe Malone candle set. This is $100, so I spent $80 on it. I did not know these were gonna be like this little. Damn, they smell good though. Oh, that's grapefruit. Okay, so there's grapefruit, there's frosted cherry and clove. Yeah. There's peony and blush suede. That one's pretty good. Now I got lipstick on it. This one is sweet almond and macaroon. Yep. And this one is green tomato leaf. These are so small. You get these are basically $20 a piece. Like, how ludicrous is that a price for a freaking tiny ass candle? I'm not gonna take it back because I love them, but I'm never gonna buy that again. Like, that's just ridiculous. Okay, what else did I buy in the sale? Okay, I bought, as could be expected, both of the Hourglass palettes. I love Hourglass. I love the palettes. One of them, this is the Ambient Lighting Edit Volume 4, and it comes in rose gold, and it has these colors in it, some of which are exclusive to this palette. And this is the Ambient Lighting Edit. I can talk today, honestly. Lighting Edit Unlocked. And it has these colors in it, which I'm very excited. I love these palettes. I will always buy these palettes. There's no question that that's gonna happen, so I just give up and say I'm buying them. I got some Way hair oil. When I first tried this Way hair oil, I did not like it, and it grew on me. I learned how to use it a little bit better. And my Nexus hair oil is now a gajillion dollars. I think they discontinued it, so only like people who happen to have it on Amazon are charging like $40 a bottle for Nexus. I'm like, this should be like $8 a bottle. So I have to go to something else, and this stuff lasts me forever, so thought I would just get it while it was cheap. I got the Bite Agave Treat Trio. It has 3 mini agave masks in it for the lip mask. I do like these lip masks. They look like this. And it has, does it say on here? The candy cane one, the maple one, and the natural one. So I'm excited. The maple one's really tasty. You gotta watch out for that because you want to eat it. What is on my lips right now, I also got, which is a Marc Jacobs Enamored High Shine Gloss Lip Lacquer, and this is in Changes. I just basically saw this on the website and was like, yes, please. It's like red, pink, brown with glitter of like duochrome green, and I was like, yes, I'll take that. That's great. I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills Metallic Liquid Lipsticks, or Liquid Lipstick Set. And that's what this guy looks like. In Blizzard, Phantom, and Mai Tai. So I thought these would be awesome. I didn't buy other lip products other than that. I know I did because I bought some from MAC. I got this Bobbi Brown Pink Glow Mini. It's super cute. I really like these Bobbi Brown highlighters. They were like OG. I'm pretty sure I have this in big, but it's fun for travel. So I bought this one. I got some of these things I don't have packaging for, but obviously I tossed it out thinking I'm not going to make a video about this. Totally I did. This is the Becca Endless Bronze and Glow. Oh, is this the Chrissy Teigen one? Is that right? Doesn't actually say on here. That's not very useful. Anyway, it looks like this. I think it's the Chrissy Teigen one. I thought it was beautiful, so I bought it. I got a refill of the Pumpkin Enzyme Mask from Peter Thomas Roth. I don't like most Peter Thomas Roth stuff. Like, I mean, some of it's okay. But I ended up just being like mad a lot of it. But this one, I was like, yes, dude, this thing is $55. So I got it on the VIB Rouge sale. I'm not even going to depackage this because everybody knows what the inside of this looks like. I got the Naked Cherry palette because I have all the other Naked palettes and I'm a collector. So I have to have it now. That's the way it is. I got this Mount Lai mini face roller. Actually this feels really good, and I get these little tiny knots in my jaws all the time and I can kind of feel it, so I got one of these rollers to roll my products in. I got this L'Occitane My Sweet Essentials, and it's almond, so it comes with their hand and nail cream, their shower gel, and something with almond milk concentrate. That's what's in there. And it's a little ornament that looks like that. I like the shower gel, like not shower gel, the shower oil stuff for shaving my legs with. And I don't need a ton, so I just bought a little bit. And I thought I would try their hand cream. That was the instigation for, oh no, it was $14. So, and I think I needed to spend like $12 more to make sure I rouge next year. It took me all the way until now to rouge, guys. Usually I rouge in January. So I feel so proud of myself. I did spend $1,000 in makeup this year, but it was only $1,000 in makeup. That is how I look at it. All right, I got the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Palette. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm gonna open it up and show this guy to you. It doesn't actually look like much, but then it is. It's octagonal, looks like that. And it has a mirror, but I'll try to hide that from you. And it looks like this. And I know that you can use these for whatever you want. A lot of people use these for highlighters, and I might use this like white ass one here for highlighters because I'm a white ass. The rest of them will probably be eyeshadows. I watched her use it to make a million different looks on the internet, and I was like, beautiful. So I bought it. Okay, this I shouldn't have done. This is the Marc Jacobs Omega Glaze. And you know how they have those Omega bronzers? I have it on today, by the way. I like it. This is an Omega highlighter. So it comes in a box. It looks like this. It's freaking huge. There's me looking at you. It is a giant ass gold highlighter. There's a thing here, so it's okay. This guy is, it's called Guilty, like guilt, like gilded. Let me see if I can get a swatch going. It's so dark. It's like way too dark for me. Can you even see that? Probably not. Oh, lighting. Okay, I'm gonna give up. Anyway, it is beautiful. It's super golden. If I shear it the hell out, it looks great. So I'm gonna keep it. I shouldn't have got that though. I don't look good in gold tones. It also, like it, or I'm wiping fingerprints off of it right now because that's how it is. It's super fingerprinty. I actually didn't buy this from, this is, all of that was from Sephora. I bought this actually from NARS itself. And this is called, what is this called? Does this have a name? Hot Tryst palette from NARS. It is cool looking. And then the inside is like basically highlighter blush kinds of situations. And they're all faceted. So, Sarah bought this and she says that it's not pigmented enough for her and she took it back. So that is the first recommendation on it, which is it got returned. However, I don't need the level of blush pigmentation that Sarah does. She needs an abundance of blush on her face to feel happy within her own body. And so I feel like it'll be okay. Like I just watched it now, it seemed okay. So for those of us who don't need level 10 blush, probably okay. I'll get back to you if I have other thoughts on that though. I'm gonna put some of this down and I'm gonna pick up the MAC stuff I got. I'm just gonna pile it all on top of each other. All right, I did save the packaging on this, some of these so that you could see what they look like, but all right. So I got one of the two lip kits. Obviously, it is the Shiny Pretty Things Favorites Mini Lipsticks in Bright. You get 4 of them. They look like this. And they come in a Ziploc. These are the colors that are in there. They're all like, let me just show you. I mean, why not? Why the heck not? All right, so we got a deep sort of brick red. There's like sunlight coming through right there. That is nice actually. And that guy is in the shade Bow Up, B-O-W Up. We got a true like candy red. It's coming, it looks like really orange on the screen there, but it's not, it's very red. And it's called Bloom. This is probably why I bought it. This like purple shade, like every other lipstick I buy, there's in the sunlight. And that guy is called Garland. Ooh, too much. Like I need another lipstick. And this is sparkly pink. Dear God, please let that show. Yeah, there you go. You can see the sparkles in it. This is basically why I bought it. It's called Coral and Carol. Like Coral and caroling. I bought this guy. There's like cat hair in here now. Which has a extra dimension skin finish highlighter situation. A mini strobe cream in like the pink shade. And a little brush for the that's gonna be my, what is that called? And this guy is in Beaming Blush. It is gorgeous. Everyone else has figured out how to do shots. Oh, they do cutaways. I refuse to do cutaways. That comes in a box that looks like this. More things that come in foil packaging. I haven't even opened this. This is a glitter set. I got both of the 2 glitter sets that are available. I'm gonna open them now. Because you can't see anything through the stupid window. This is like the golden red one. These are the colors in there. They are impossible to take out. So I'm not gonna kill you with that. And this is another one. They don't even say what's on the back, what's in it on the back. This packaging is weird. I'm not sure I dig it. I think it saves packaging, so that's nice. Like, but I think it could have even been less than this. And this is the other one that's like purples. Will you focus? There you go. I buy these every year. I love them. Here we are. And I got one more thing. Oh, this is the MAC Shiny Pretty Things Face Compact in Fair. It comes in this packaging. It looks like this. This is like fabric material. And then these are the shades that are in it. Let's see if I can get this to focus better. There you go. So you have a extra dimension skin finish highlighter, a blush, and a bronzer in there. And these all look light enough for me, so I thought I would give it a go. And the very last thing in this haul, no, I must have bought this from Sephora, is the Natasha Denona Cranberry Palette. I own almost all of her palettes, the big ones, except I didn't buy the Sephora palette, and I think there was one more that I didn't buy. Oh, I just shoved my finger in this. Oh, it's all over my finger. Okay, this is what the palette looks like. I thought it was beautiful. It was like totally right up my alley as far as like the colors. I'm gonna get some of it in the sunlight for you. There we go. I love the formula on Natasha Denona, so I was really excited. I have to sneeze. Thanks. I'm like, bless me. I was really excited to see a little palette that I liked. Usually I have the big one, so I don't buy the little one, but do I have a cranberry palette? I don't think so. So anyway, that was what I allowed myself to buy for holiday haul, which is a lot of stuff. But I'm super happy that I got some things, and I'm super happy with what I got, and I'm super happy that I looked through the rest of it and I was like, I don't need this stuff. When you look at Sephora and all you do is want everything, then that's really daunting. And when you realize, like, at some point you realize, oh my god, I have too much makeup, and you stop doing that. Like, I almost didn't want makeup. Like, I was like, ooh, candles. Although I did buy a lot of makeup. Usually I buy stuff that is collectible, like the hourglass things, or things I use a lot of, or like I know I'll use these Natasha Denona things, and the glitters and the pigments from MAC are a thing that I use all the time, and I collect MAC in extra dimension skin finish highlighters and blushes, so that was like a no-brainer. So most of the stuff was stuff I'm gonna use up and I will use, so I'm really excited about it. Anyway, I think I did good this year. I think my haul was good. It was obviously more stuff than I need. I don't need any of this, but I decided to give myself a little treat. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. What did you guys haul? Send me whatever video you have, or just let me know down below. If you guys hit the sale / have been hauling anything from the holiday collections. Yeah, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys next time with more videos. Okay, bye.